Vocabulary of the day. So our word for the day is forfeit. To lose because of some offense, neglect, or by breaking some condition. Matalo dahil sa isang pagkukulang, paglabag sa isang kasunduan. For example, if you break the rules, you will forfeit your right to participate. Kung lalabag ka sa mga patakaran, wawala ang iyong karapatan na makalahok. Number 2, meaning of forfeit. To forfeit one's right, mawalan ng karapatan dahil sa sariling pagkukulang, isuko ang karapatan. They will forfeit the game if they arrive late. Mawawala sila sa laro kung late sila dumating. Number 3, meaning of forfeit. To forfeit a game, to be defeated because of infringements of rule. Matalo dahil sa paglabag sa alituntunin ng laro. For example, he had to forfeit his prize after cheating was discovered. Kailangan niyang iwan ang kanyang premyo matapos madiscover ang pandaraya. Number 4, meaning of forfeit. To forfeit one's life, to die because of one's neglect or fault, mamatay. Dahil sa sariling kapabayaan, kasalanan. They will forfeit the game if they arrive late. Mawawala sila sa laro kung late sila dumating. Another example, the team may forfeit their match if they do not show up. Maring mawala ng laban ang kupunan kung hindi sila darating. She decided to forfeit her share of the inheritance. Nagpasya siyang isuko ang kanyang bahagi sa mana.